Hello, I am Cindy, your balloon instructor. Now I will teach you how to make a balloon bow. It doesn't need to be very big. We can use the length of 5 fingers. You can adjust it depending on whether you like it big or small. You can adjust it yourself. I will use the length of 5 fingers now. Then from here, twist it over. Then tuck it in. Now do the other side. Make 2 of the same size. Flip it over. Check if they are the same size. After confirming they are the same size, press here and twist it in. Check if they are the same size. Now twist it over here. Then from here, massage it slightly, because we don't want it to be too stiff. Here, make an ear twist. Then twist it 3 times. Twist a 3 centimeters bubble. Make another ear twist. Now this is done. Here, you can remove it. Now let's make the part below it. The part below it. First, divide this into half. Cut it open. After cutting it open, inflate a little air from here. 3 centimeters. Insert the ear in, grab the other side, then twist it 4 times. Then insert it in. Now you've made one. Next, let's continue with the second one. After tying the knot, insert it in here, hold it. Then twist it 4 times here. Here, tuck it in. After tucking it in, tie these 2 together. Tie the knot. Tighten it. Tuck it in here. Done. Adjust it. If you want it to open a bit, just pull it a little bit. Done.